you're looking for a place to stay in Goa with no fuss, chill vibe, look no further than this luxury boutique hotel in Candolim. Welcome to U Hotel. Goa is not just a destination, it's an emotion. And for a traveler like me, there's no better place than this to satiate all my cravings. Hi guys, I'm back in Goa looking for the best places for you to stay at. And this time around, I've got my eyes on U Hotel as they have an exclusive Curly Tales offer. Keep watching to know more. U Hotel in Candolim is a brand new luxury abode offering a youth vibe with an oomph of luxury. It is meant for all kinds of travelers, be it couples, singles or families, where you can get a taste of luxury in all its facilities like the comfortable rooms, intimate jacuzzi or a relaxing spa therapy. So this is the U Lux room and it's got everything you need to make your stay comfortable. The good thing is that you can spend 2 nights here along with breakfast, a complimentary 3-course meal on the day of your arrival, complimentary usage of gym, jacuzzi, and you can also enjoy 50% off during the happy hours at just 10,999 rupees with the Curly Tales exclusive offer. Come with a cute balcony with a sit-out area, and thanks to its great location in the heart of Candolim, you can get a glimpse into the local Goan life. How sweet. They've got a photograph of me in this room. So this is the junior suite where I will be staying, and at an additional cost of 3,500 rupees, I get to spend 2 nights here in this spacious room and an even more spacious bathroom. And guess what? It comes with all the inclusions mentioned before. Private terrace of the Grand Suite at U Hotel, and as you can see, it's quite grand. The hotel has a great vibe. What it's most known for is its food, as it's got 2 of Bali's best restaurants right here in Goa, Spice Mantra and Nua Social Dining. Spice Mantra serves modern and inspirational Indian and authentic Goan fare with a true touch of local ingredients. But also all travelers coming to Goa drop by at least once during their visit. Some of them even order into the places where they are staying. A view like that and a food like this at an internationally acclaimed restaurant, what else can I ask for? And after this hearty meal, all I want to do is crash and lead a Susikart way of life that Goa is truly known for. But for that, I got to head to my room, so let me finish this and get there. Well, I'm done with my beauty sleep, and the only agenda I have when I'm in Goa is eat, sleep and repeat. So I'm heading for my dinner, and I've been told there's something very special planned for me. The new modern luxury boutique hotel is a great option to celebrate a special occasion, be it birthday, wedding anniversary or a bachelorette. The hotel has dedicated spaces where you can spend some moments of joy over a scrumptious dinner and drinks eve. Well, as they say, save the best for the last. There couldn't have been a better finish to my stay at U Hotel. Excellent service and the presentation of the food makes it even better. Thankfully so, they're coming up with many more F&B outlets as well as hotels across the globe. But for now, you should come to U Hotel in Goa and grab that exclusive Curly Tails offer on curlytails.com/deals. Until then, it's me Kamya Chani signing off.